Hi everyone, welcome to Maya's channel. Today I'm going to show you flat bread. It's called Tandoori Roti, and I'm going to use oven. You can even use stove top with the gas. And let's see ingredients. I've taken 2 cups flour, or whole wheat flour, and I'm taking half spoon jaggery. You can take even sugar, and I'm going to use yeast. Any active yeast or yeast for baking will work, and I'm going to take this half spoon. I'm going to take 1/4 cup water to activate the yeast. I'm going to mix jaggery for the yeast to get activated. I'm going to add half spoon salt to the wheat flour. It's 2 cups wheat flour. I'm going to mix it and add my activated yeast. I have to mix the dough. I'm adding warm water. We need at least for 2 cups, 1 cup water or less than 1 cup. Add little by little. I'm going to add little bit oil. And apply all over and cover with the lid and keep it for 20 minutes. See you after 20. I have already preheated, and I'm going to load. I'm going to use broil mode. Enter and have an eye. I'm going to wait till it bubbles out. I've taken for 5 minutes. It's browning and bubbling. Wait until this stage occurs. Here my tandoori rotis are ready. Enjoy my tandoori roti, homemade tandoori roti. You can serve this with palak paneer or any sabji you like, or any curry you like. Thank you for watching my video. And if you liked my video, share with your friends, and see you in next video. Until then, bye.